We are pleased to show you the 2008 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, center armrest, fog lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.